this out.
Heckenast Jr. and Max Blair side by side for the race lead off into turn 1 and 2. Blair's going to get a run on the outside, move the 111 out front into the race lead, James.
Max Blair looking like Robbie Blair. Here he comes into turn 4, looking at behind him. Here comes K-Rob on the bottom. Robinson digging hard on the bottom. Down the main straightaway, 2 by 2 behind your leader, Max Blair.
Good race in this one. Blair in 111, Heckenast in 99, K-Rob in 7R, Owens in 23 wide. Hudson, are you kidding me?
What about it? Here comes Robinson. Here comes Heckenast. Here comes Owens down the main straightaway. Max Blair still leading in that rocket into 1. Heckenast now on the bottom. Frank Heckenast Jr. out of Frankfort, Illinois now. But Jimmy Owens has it going up top, Dustin.
Great race in this one. The 111 trying to stay out front, and he's got a pack of hungry wolves back there behind of him. Good battle in this one. Blair continues to lead 3 laps down, 5 laps to go.
Max Blair out of turn number 2 down the back straightaway. Jimmy Owens has a run down the back straightaway. He'll pull even with Heckenast into turn number 3, and the Yo-Show to the center spot. Here comes Jimmy Owens out of turn 4 for the lead and for a spot in the Dirt Million.
3 cars toss him under a blanket for the race lead. Owens in 20, Heckenast in 99, and Max Blair in 111. Side by side now behind of him for the second spot. Blair trying to hold both these cars off. This is a whale of a battle. Heat race of the weekend.
Heckenast, St. Louis you pick apart. Chicago you pick apart. Oh, that was close. Down the back straightaway, Max Blair. Jimmy Owens, Frank Heckenast Jr. Into turn 3, Owens on the bottom. Out in turn 4, 2 to go. Owens trying to pull even out of 4, Dustin.
Who is going to win this one? Any one of those first 3 cars could do it. Max Blair in 111, Jimmy Owens in 20, Frank Heckenast in a smoking 99 with just a pair of laps remaining. Owens has a run on the inside, James. Here they come side by side through 3 and 4.
This is it, white flag. Out of turn number 4, they're side by side in heat number 5. Who's it going to be, Dustin?
Final time around. Who's going to win this one? Jimmy Owens in 20, Max Blair in 111. Blair's going to run down the back straightaway. That might have done it. Through turns 3 and 4 for the final time. Owens with a run on the inside. Checkered flag in the air. The winner of heat race number 5 is Max Blair.
He just guaranteed he has got a starting spot here tonight. And how about Max Blair? He was guaranteed the spot. He didn't want to just take it. He didn't want to just have something given to him. He wanted to go out and earn it, and man, did he. What a drive for the driver of the 111. 27 wins on the year, as you said, the ULMS points leader, and he moves off to the Dirt Million. He clears the scales, and he's going to come around to get a word with us. As Max Blair comes around after picking up the win in his heat race. He'll stop. He pulls off the Miami Dolphins helmet. That's right, Dustin. You just heard that one.
Yes, that's right.
Max Blair, you were guaranteed a spot tonight, but that was not enough. You went out and earned it. Talk about the drive in that heat race.
Man, I can't even believe it. That just made my whole year right there. I seen somebody under me, coming for the white, and I was like, don't give this thing away now. I'm sure he was probably a little better than we were, but that was one of the funnest 8 laps of my entire life.
Before you draw, I want you to hear something. Race fans, let Max Blair, what did you think about that heat race? Let him hear it. How awesome is that, Max?
Man, this is just a dream come true weekend. Whatever happens from here on out, it doesn't even matter. I just can't believe it. This has been a lot of fun.
Well, Tyler Carpenter's going to love you a whole lot because he gets a provisional now that you're in. Let's reach in and let's see what Max Blair pulls out. Max will start position number 15. Race fans, one more time out of Titusville, Pennsylvania, Max Blair.